Okay, so Blissford sent us these compression packing cubes. It's a 6-pack. They're kind of a gray nylon, and then they have different colored zippers so that you can be able to tell apart which size is which when they're in your luggage or whatever.
Right.
And so you can see they've got like a small purple one.
This is a little.
Oh, this is a little drawstring duffel with a cord lock on it and stuff.
I can't tell you how much I love packing cubes.
This is the orange one, and they have little grab handle straps to make it easy to carry.
Yep.
And the blue one, and the pink one, and then the big green one. And what I really like is that they are also not just this deep, they're expandable.
Wow.
So you can...
That's really handy.
Let's see where that's the closure zipper, and this is the expanded zipper. And you can see, look at all that extra fabric there.
That extra room in there.
Make it deeper and stuff. So that's really cool.
I really like that.
I like that.
Packing cubes are so handy for lots of things. I mean, I don't use them just for my luggage when we go traveling, but I use them. We travel full time in the RV, and for organization and in my drawers, I love to put these in my drawers and just organize up all my different shorts and shirts and things like that. And it keeps them all nice and compact.
They're very well made.
Yeah.
And I like that they have the double zipper closure, because then you can close it anywhere around the edge where you want to be able to access it easy and stuff.
Yeah.
And then of course it has the nice little nylon strap to be able to carry it once you got stuff in it. So thanks for sending that to us.
Super great. Yeah.
Awesome.
Love them.
Yeah, I'm very impressed with the quality of those too. So, and I like the fact that they're all color coded, and so you can tell which one's which. Like, okay, I've got socks in this one or whatever. So these ones are my t-shirts.
Yeah.
So nice stuff. Thanks.
Yeah.